Hello children, in bio class I am going to explain you the factors which are affecting the transpiration. The factors which are affecting the transpiration we can divide into two categories. First is external factors, and second is internal factors. In the external factor are intensity of sunlight, temperature, velocity of wind, humidity, carbon dioxide and atmospheric pressure. The internal factors which are affecting the transpiration, they are water contents of the leaves and structure of the leaves. So children, you have to study each factor separately, how the intensity of light is affecting the transpiration. More transpiration during the daytime, less transpiration in the night. Less transpiration when there is cloud in the sky. Its reason is stomata open in the daytime, during the daytime remain closed in the night. Second is temperature. How temperature is affecting the transpiration. When temperature of the atmosphere increase, rate of transpiration increase. It means increase in transpiration allows more water to evaporate. Low transpiration reduce the rate of transpiration. Third is velocity of wind. When wind is blowing with a greater velocity, rate of transpiration will increase. Its reason is when water vapor is coming out through the stomata, through the stoma on the surface of the leaves, they are carried by the blowing wind. So when winds blow faster, it remove the water vapor from the surface of the leaves. Next factor is humidity. Humidity is the moisture present in the air. Humidity in the air decrease the rate of transpiration. When there is high humidity, rate of transpiration is low. When there is low humidity, rate of transpiration is high. Fifth factor is carbon dioxide. Concentration of carbon dioxide also affecting the rate of transpiration. High concentration of carbon dioxide close the stomata, is responsible for closing the stomata, and when stomata will close, rate of transpiration decrease. Next is atmospheric pressure. Rate of transpiration increases with the decrease in atmospheric pressure. If rate of atmospheric pressure is high, rate of transpiration is low. So this I told about the external factors. Now, what are the internal factors which are affecting the rate of transpiration? Internal factors. In the internal factor, first is water content in the leaves of plant. If water content in the leaves of the plants decrease, rate of transpiration will decrease. So we can say why the leaves of the plants are going to, rate of transpiration is going to decrease. Its reason is due to less water content. The gourd cells of the stoma become flaccid. Stomata will close. Other is structure of the leaves. So structure of leaves also responsible for affecting the rate of transpiration. Children, here I told about the factors which are affecting the rate of transpiration. Factors are external and internal. In the external factors are intensity of sunlight, temperature, velocity of wind, humidity, carbon dioxide and atmospheric pressure.